To change the stitch direction on your FlexiTool sewing machine, you change the direction in which the walking foot is pointing. Whichever direction the walking foot points, that is the direction the machine will stitch. Here you can see that I am stitching a piece of leather. The walking foot is pointed towards me, and so, as you can see, the machine sews towards me. When I'm ready to change direction, I leave the crank handle in the down position at the bottom, and the needle is in the down position and holding the material. I then raise the walking foot, change it to whatever direction I want to sew, release it back down onto the material in the new direction, and continue sewing. I then proceed to sew in whatever direction I have chosen until I wish to change or stop. Then I again leave the crank handle in the down position, which keeps the needle down. I then raise the walking foot, move it into any direction I wish to go, and then resume sewing. Using this method you can change your stitch direction as often as you like, even on a per stitch basis. Once a person gets proficient with the machine, they can make fairly complicated designs. Really, it's your own creativity that's the limit, and you can see here I even played around a little bit to make a zigzag stitch. Hope that helps you.